Hey y'all, I'm back to show you my finished product of my lasagna. I think I extra cooked it. But yeah, it's like nicely golden brown. I'm gonna let it sit and I'm going to let it rest before I cut right into it. Cause I had to cut my stove off. It was like hot. I mean extremely hot in the house. So what I'm doing now, since I had put the video on hold and stop, but I'm gonna let my son edit and fix it a little bit more for me. But what I'm doing now, I'm doing school. Excuse my room. It's kind of dirty. I'm not going to even show y'all because y'all going to talk about me. But yeah, I'm doing my school now, which is my lab, because I am practically finished with my summer classes. So now I'm about to go into my fall classes, and that won't start until September 4th, which is good because now it gives me the opportunity to work on my typing skills. So when I do get hired at a job, my typing skills will be at its best. So I'm gonna try to work on it for these 2 weeks that I am free from school, and I just checked my schedule for work, so I'm off tomorrow too. So since I'll be finished with school, I just really want to focus on my typing. But I'm doing holes, autonomy, human autonomy and physiology, and I'm trying to go through my lab work now to make sure that I got everything finished and caught up. So I'm gonna let the lasagna rest. I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna get right back to y'all. But right now I'm thinking about doing a mukbang, mukbang. I can't never pronounce the word right, and just see how that goes. Bye bye. So if you, before I say bye bye, I'm sorry, but if you like it, just put a like. If you dislike it, that's fine. I'm not gonna be hurt by it, but I am very appreciated that y'all did take the time out and look at the video too. So I'm gonna try to load up as much as I can. So my name is Carmen, and I am happy I was able to share and do this video. Thank you. Bye bye.